Hello everybody. Kostas Albanidis here. It's been a while, and maybe uh, that's the first video for the 2025. Uh, of course, I have created many other videos, and I leverage the AI, all those tools that I have to my descriptions, and all those tools that advertise and promote and in fact I review and showcase to AI tool detective .com and all the other platforms that I can post and review all those tools. To this particular video, I want to keep it very short. I created one video using all those instructions from Paul Pona website and this amazing video Express AI. Um, it's really it's a tool that really worth the price, and you're gonna love it. Trust me. You can even get it and try, and after that you can decide if you want to keep it or not, because you have 30 days money guarantee, and you can easily test drive and see if it's a good fit for you. What I'm gonna tell you, it's that it really gave me a new perspective to making videos. And check this out. You see, I created something here that I have the you have the timeline down here, and you can create anything. You can add AI videos.
Hey Maya,
You
you look
see,
like the world's turned its back on you. What's wrong?
I forgot my lunch again.
it looks perfect. In fact, I had a mistake here because there is this third video. I didn't add any audio. I'm gonna redesign this one. Let me show you. I can just click redesign. I'm gonna have it over here. You see, I have it over here, and I'm gonna just click uh, talking photo, human talking video, and click create talking video. Okay, because this is one of the videos that I didn't add any audio. So this particular video, it's gonna be focused on this way, that how easily you can just remove one. You see, I removed one part of the video from here. I moved here to my media library. I found the video that I have created before. It was the third. You see, 1, 2, 3, and to this one, I just want to redesign. I have already my script, so I'm gonna just drop it here. I'm gonna create talking video. I'm gonna paste here. So you're saying, even if no one notices me now, I can still make a difference someday. I'm gonna use the same audio area, and here I can select that says cheerful, okay, or excited, like that. Let me show you. You see, you click
So,
import.
you're saying, even if no one notices me now, I can still make a difference someday?
You see, it sounds really interesting. I can just click create talking video, and in the next seconds I'm gonna have my video ready to put it over here and have a complete video. The next move is gonna be to automatic add the captions. I have already showcased this part to another video. For sure I'm gonna create more videos about that. Just I'm really trying to find the time to show you all these amazing platforms and all those amazing new tools that every day you see out there. And for sure you don't have just to take a tool. You must know to use it, and uh, to manage and create things with that. So it's good to use it, and work on that so that it's gonna give you the opportunity to create something amazing. Anyway, I want you to be confident and see all those videos I create. Check videos from other creators, and you can finally decide if that fits to your needs and if it's something that you need to work on. You saw that I just moved the new created video over here, so now I'm gonna play all my video to see how great the result is. You see here I have this ability that I can just click auto align clips, and it just removes all the gaps from all the videos. I'm gonna just play it from the beginning. For sure I'm gonna publish this one with subs to YouTube, and you're gonna see that too. Okay, let
Hey,
me show
Maya.
you.
You look like the world's turned its back on you. What's wrong?
I forgot my lunch again. It's just, no one seems to care about me. I'm invisible to everyone.
Invisible, huh? Funny thing. Ever hear the story of the tree in the quiet forest?
No, what about it?
There was this old tree. It didn't bloom like the others, so the birds ignored it. One day, a storm came. The blooming trees fell, but the old tree stood tall, sheltering the birds from the rain. Turns out its strength mattered more than its looks.
So, you're saying, even if no one notices me now, I can still make a difference someday?
You got it, kid. Just like the tree, you'll be there when it counts.
Thanks, Leo. You're right. Maybe I'm stronger than I think.
That's all. Thank you very much. I guess you agree that that's really amazing, and it's really helpful and valuable content that you can upload to your YouTube channel. You can create anything you want. You can create even with real humans, and you can create amazing stuff. You can even create kids videos with animals talking to each other. It's a tool that it really worth every penny that you're gonna give, and every dollar. Thank you very much. I wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.